Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The King of How To. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this plain light switch cover way nicer for your kids' room or any other room that you like to use it in. First step is to give the light switch cover a quick sand so the paint will bond nicer to it. Okay, once we're done giving it a quick light sand, it doesn't have to be anything too crazy. We'll just wipe it down so the dust is gone. Now I'm just going to use some paint to give it a base coat before we add some glitter paint to give it a little bit of sparkle, because it's going in my daughter's room, so I'm sure she's going to enjoy the sparkle in there. Okay, once the first coat is done, we'll wait for it to dry and we'll give it one more coat just so we can get a nice even finish on top of the light switch cover. And then we'll put the glitter paint on at the very end. Next, once we have the two coats of our purple done, we're going to apply a thin layer of this glitter paint or glitter glue, or you can even use Mod Podge mixed with some sparkles there. They all work the same. So I'm going to do the same thing, apply a little bit and spread it out with my paintbrush. And there we have it. I did a quick coat of the glitter paint. Now we're going to wait for it to dry, and then we'll see how the effect looks like. If we want more sparkle and shine on the cover, then we'll add another layer of sparkle or glitter paint. And there we have it, the final cover for our light switch. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with future video ideas.